Hello everyone, today I'm gonna be unboxing and testing a new amp from Positive Grid, the Spark amp. It's been a while since I sold my last amp and never played with an amp for almost 7 years. Now I decided to get back and playing, and this small practice amp made me do it. Now it's time to unbox this amp. This amp allows you to record, create your own tones, and share it to the cloud for other users. I live in a small apartment, so this is a perfect amp for me. The Spark app allows me to download specific tones for a specific song to be used in my Spark amp when connected using Bluetooth. I just downloaded the November Rain solo tone from the Tone Cloud, and let's hear how it sounds. Good thing about the app is I don't even have to touch the actual amp to change all the settings. I just use the app. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.